Let's say you are in a competitive niche, you're selling well or decently, and you really want to take it up a notch. This workflow of research that I'm going to show you today is exactly how you find gaps in your niche and sell more than your competitors. What's up, guys? Dave here. Check the description for helpful links like my Add to Cart SEO tool, a free 10-minute call if you want to work together one-on-one, and my free resources. Let's jump into it. So here's the prompt right here. We're using the ChatGPT Etsy app connection. You go to apps on the left-hand side, you just search Etsy and you hit connect. It's the official Etsy app connector, extremely useful. It's built for buyers to use, but here we are as sellers using it and exploiting it to find and get a ton of data. So let's say you're in a very highly competitive niche. I'm going to use mama sweatshirts today because what better example other than mama sweatshirts? Research the embroidered mama sweatshirt niche using multiple searches, including embroidered mama sweatshirt, personalized mama sweatshirt, so on and so forth. Only analyze the physical products, of course, review enough listings to understand what the niche currently offers, then identify the biggest gaps and weak points. So that is exactly what we want because we want to sell to those weak points and we want to fill those gaps. That will allow us to make more money because if we're going to fight fire with fire, we will grow slower. If you want to try to find low-hanging fruit, that might not have enough search volume. But if you can find low-hanging fruit within a niche, that it's kind of different than fighting fire with fire, if you will. Designs that are repeated across many shops, personalization options that are missing or limited, customer types or family situations being ignored, styles, placements, garment types, and embroidery techniques that are underused, common complaints, confusing options, or weak product features visible in listings and reviews. So you can make your own prompt for this. We're simply just asking ChatGPT to find gaps and weak points. You can just go to ChatGPT and say, make me a prompt that will use the Etsy app connection to find gaps and weak points in my niche. Give me the 5 biggest holes in the niche, specific examples of what current listings are doing poorly or repeatedly, a practical improvement for each gap, 10 differentiated product ideas that directly exploit those gaps, the 3 strongest opportunities ranked by how easy they would be to execute and how clearly they would stand out in Etsy search. For every product idea, include the core design, the target customer, the personalization offered, what makes it different from current listings. Okay, so Etsy gets to work. It searches multiple times. And again, I've said many times about this connection is you can tell it to search a ton of times and it absolutely will. So the 5 biggest holes with mom t-shirts, mama sweatshirts. Number 1, the biggest hole. Most products use the same design architecture. Okay. Personalization breaks down for large or complicated families. Okay. Too many family situations are barely represented. Most targeting shops at new mom, boy mom, girl mom, mama, nana, or grandma. Step/bonus moms and memorial designs appeared only occasionally. Adoptive moms, foster moms, guardian, 2-mom families, blended households, pet and child families, and mothers with both living and lost children were largely absent. Very interesting. Repetition and weak features seen repeatedly. Mama plus estimated year plus vertical sleeve names is the default product. Everybody's just copying off each other and propagating that design. That happens everywhere. Doesn't happen just on Etsy. Happens on Instagram. Happens on Amazon. Happens on YouTube. Whatever. If something works, then everybody copies that. Creativity has died because of the modern day algorithm, essentially, in so many ways. So here's our different product ideas. Now for your niche, it's going to give you something else, but let's see what ChatGPT did. Large family orbit crew neck, small central title surrounded by names and tiny symbols in an embroidered circular orbit. Okay, that's kind of cool. The mom's name in the middle and then all the names of the family members like around that. That would be pretty cool. That's for a large family. There's a product idea for you right there. Blended family timeline, quarter zip. If you know, you know. Minimal chest title with family milestones embroidered chronologically across both sleeves. Guys, if you don't have an email list, you're putting yourself at risk, which is why I've partnered with OmniSend. One of the biggest mistakes Etsy sellers make is building their entire business on Etsy and nowhere else. Etsy can bring you customers, but you don't control the platform, the algorithm, or how many of those customers you can actually reach later. If Etsy is the only way you can communicate with your audience, you are putting your entire business at risk. That is why you need to start building an email list. OmniSend makes this extremely easy. You can use their landing page builder to create a simple sign up page where everybody can join your email list. This is the most important step to having financial freedom outside of Etsy. ChatGPT and Claude can be integrated with OmniSend via their MCP integration. So you can ask questions, plan, and do deep analytics to make big decisions. This will help you plan amazing campaigns, execute, and make more sales using this connection. If you already do have an email service, OmniSend will literally help you migrate over for 5 days for free. If you're unhappy with your current provider, this is definitely the way to go. Check the link in my description. As you can see, it's giving us new ideas that are outside of the typical mama shirt, all right? So if you're in a different niche, which you likely are, not everyone watching makes mama shirts, it's going to spit out a bunch of product ideas that fill gaps that are currently in existence based on the search that ChatGPT did. So, manually, this would take a long time. You would be sifting through these searches in your niche, and you'd have to come up with these ideas on your own. Now, you should design these on your own and have your own creativity, but this workflow is pointing you towards real product gaps. 3 strongest opportunities: large family orbit crew neck, hidden names tonal quarter zip or mock neck, blended family timeline quarter zip. All right, so we have a ton of different ideas. So next I'm going to tell it, all right, I'm going to use AddToCartSEO to make some better titles and tags for number 1. So I'm going to do it for the family orbit crew neck because I really liked that one. So I want to create some better SEO and dominate this niche if I was going to do this. So I'm going to use AddToCartSEO to make some better titles and tags for number 1. Show me listings that are in number 1 so I can use their titles to make better ones in AddToCartSEO. These are the right competitors for hole number 1, the repeated mama plus estimated year plus kids names design. So that's who we're directly going to compete against and directly dominate because our new design is way cooler and everybody's seen the mom plus estimated year plus kids names. Now we're going to put the kids' names in orbit around the mom's name. I clicked on this one here. We come to this listing here. I grabbed the URL and I popped it into AddToCartSEO. So then it made 3 titles and tags, each different in its search angle and buyer reach. Powerhouse fit is going to be most closest to the exact source that we started with, the input. Safe reach and expansion is going to be a little bit away from that, reaching into different search results. And experimental reach / test is going to be even further out from that. Then it creates a nice copy and paste description for you using many of those keywords in those titles and tags because the algorithm now searches and scans your descriptions. So it's very important that your descriptions have keyword richness. I took this one right here as well. That's right here. And this title is leaving a lot more to be desired than the last one. It's very short. They have the colon there. So they might have even used Etsy's AI title generator, which is absolutely terrible. Never use that. And I popped it into AddToCartSEO over here as well. Now, this tool has been tuned based on my 8 years of selling and coaching on Etsy. It's everything I wish every seller would ever do, or every way and possibility that I have ever created titles. It creates the widest footprint possible for your titles and tags, so it doesn't over repeat, it doesn't waste time, and it doesn't oversaturate a product too. If you oversaturate and try to search or reach into searches for absolutely everything and anything, you're going to reach nobody. So it doesn't do either one of those. It doesn't go on either extremes. So that's a easy workflow to find gaps in an existing high competition niche, find product ideas to fill those gaps, and then improve the SEO for when you do launch the product that does fill that gap. I hope this helped you today. Everything you can try in the description below. I hope you have a beautiful day.